Hello everyone, welcome back to Explore China. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're taking you on another unforgettable journey to discover the beauty, culture, and hidden wonders of China. So sit back, relax, and let's explore China together. Welcome to Shanghai, one of the most breathtaking and futuristic cities in the world. A city where tradition meets modern innovation, and the skyline never sleeps. As the sun goes down, Shanghai transforms into a glowing masterpiece. Towering skyscrapers light up the sky, reflecting beautifully over the Huangpu River. This is not just a city. It is a symbol of China's rapid growth and global power. Every street, every building, every light tells a story of ambition and progress. The famous Shanghai skyline is home to iconic landmarks like the Oriental Pearl Tower and futuristic glass towers that dominate the horizon. From every angle, the city looks alive, moving, and constantly evolving. The energy here never stops. Even at night, Shanghai feels more alive than ever. As we move along the river, the view becomes even more magical. Neon lights dance across the water, creating a perfect reflection of modern China. Boats slowly pass through the river, adding life to this cinematic night scenery. This is the true beauty of Shanghai, peaceful yet powerful. Shanghai is not just a city, it is an experience. A perfect blend of culture, technology, and modern lifestyle. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel experiences from across China. Thank you for watching. See you in the next city.